Hi there, welcome to math class. Our topic is solving simultaneous equations with three unknowns by determinant method. Now I solve the example for you. Example: solve the following equations by determinant method. X minus y plus z is equal to 1. X minus 2y plus 4z is equal to 8, and x minus 3y plus 9z is equal to 27. Now we solve this one for the x. When we solve it for the x, what we do, we write here x is equal to instead of the coefficient of y, the coefficient of x is 1, 1, 1. Instead of the coefficient of x, we write the constant number of c, this one, 1, 8, and 27. 1, 8, 27. Because we solved this one for the x, we replace instead of the coefficient of x, these numbers of c, 1, 8, and 27. And for the rest, for y and z, we write their own coefficient. For the first one, y is minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. And for z is plus 1, plus 4, plus 9. And for the denominator, what we do, we write for all of them their own coefficients. For x 1, 1, and 1. For y, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3, and for z, 1, 4, and 9. Now what we do, we change this three unknowns, the equation with three unknowns, we change it for two unknowns. What we do, we start from here. For the first x, the number is 1, we write 1, and what we do, we cross a horizontal line and vertical line from here. This one and this one crossed, and we take the rest there and this one. Minus 2, minus 3, 4, and 9. Minus 2, minus 3, and 4, and 9. For the second one, we take the first one with a positive sign, second one with a negative. Negative 8. Negative 8. Now what we do, we cross from here horizontal and vertical. These numbers crossed, and only remaining one is 1, plus 1, minus 3, and 9. Minus 1, minus 3, and 1, and 9. After this, now positive or plus 27. Plus 27. We cross a line from the 27 horizontally and vertically. This part remaining minus 1, minus 2, and 1 and 4. Minus 1, minus 2, 1, and 4. And for denominator, 1 cross like this, what remaining? Minus 2, minus 3, 4, and 9. For the second one, is minus 1, or the negative sign, minus 1. We cross this vertical, horizontal, there is minus 1 and minus 3, 1 and 9. Minus 1, minus 3, 1 and 9. And the third one, plus 1. If we cross this plus 1 right there and this part remaining, minus 1, minus 2, and 1 and 4. Now what we do, we simplify this one. This is equal to 1. Now we cross multiply like this one and this one, minus 9 times minus 2 times 9 is minus 18, and this one minus 3 times 4 become minus 12, with the negative sign become positive 12. And then minus 8, minus 1 times 9 is minus 9, minus 3 times 1 is minus 3 with the negative sign, plus 3, and then positive 27 or plus 27. Now minus 1 times 4 is minus 4, minus 2 times 1 is minus 2, minus 2 with a negative sign is plus 2 or positive 2. And for the denominator 1, minus 2 times 9 is minus 18, minus 3 times 4, 12, 12 with a negative sign is positive 12, and this one minus 1 times minus 1 times 9 is minus 9 or negative 9, minus 1 times 3 is minus 3, minus 3 with a negative sign, 3 is become positive, plus 1 times minus 1 times 4 is minus 4, minus 2 times 1 is minus 2 with the opposite sign become plus 2. And now this one is equal to, we simplify this one, minus 18 and positive 12 become minus 6, minus 6 times 1 is minus 6. Minus 6. Now minus 9 times plus 4 is minus 6. 6 and 8, 48. Negative times negative, positive 48. Minus 2 and positive 2 become minus 2 times 27 become minus 54. And for the denominator, minus 18 times 12, positive 12 become minus 6. Minus 6 times 1 is minus 6. Minus 9 and positive 3 become minus 6. Minus times negative, positive 6. And negative 4 and positive 2 become negative 2 or minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Now this is equal to minus 6 and minus 54 become minus 60 plus 14 become minus 12 over minus 6 cancel with the positive, negative 6 cancel with the positive 6, here remaining minus 2, and that is negative divided by negative is positive. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. It means that the value of x is equal to 6. Now we solve the equation for the y. For the y, we leave the coefficient of x as s, like 1, 1 and 1, and it's because we solved this one for the y, instead of the y we put the c numbers 1, 8 and 27, and for the z its coefficients, the first z is 1, the second one is 4, and the third one is 9. Over, because the denominator for x, y and z are the same, we do not need to repeatedly write this one, just we write the result. The result of the denominator is minus 2. Now this is equal to, we take first one, the 1, and cross like this and this, from the first one to the horizontal and vertically, here remaining 8, 27 and 4, 9. 8, 27, 4 and 9. Again, second one, 1 with the negative sign or with the opposite sign, 1, we cross like this and this, here remaining 1, 27, 1, 9. 1, 27, 1, 9. And then the third one is positive or plus 1. We cross like this and this. What is remaining? 1, 8 and 1, 4. 1, 8 and 1 and 4. The denominator is minus 2. And now this is equal to 1, 8 times 9 is 72, 27 times 4 is 108, with the opposite side is minus 108, minus 1 times 1 times 9 is equal to 9, and and 1 times 27 is 27, but the opposite side is 9 minus 27, and plus 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 8 is 8. 8 with the negative sign, or for the opposite sign, is minus 8. And for denominator is minus 2. And that is equal to 72 minus 108 become 36, or minus 36. 36. 9 minus 27 is 18. Minus 18 times minus, negative times negative, positive 18. And 4 minus 8 is minus 4. Minus 4 times positive 4 is equal to minus 4 over minus 2. Now minus 36 plus 18 minus 4 become minus 22. Over minus 2. Now negative times negative is positive. 22 divided by 2 become 11. Positive 11. The value of y become 11. X is 6. Y is equal to 11. Continuing example. We already solved the example for the x and y. The value of x becomes 6 and the y 11. Now we solve for the z. Z is equal to, now when we want to solve for the z, what we do, write the coefficient of x itself, 1, 1 and 1, and the y minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. But instead of the z, we write the c numbers, 1, 8, and 27. And for the denominator, because denominator of all of them are same, we write the result of the denominator for x, that is minus 2, that is same thing for the x, for the y, and also for the z. Now what we do, we write the first one, the x coefficient is 1. We cross like this, horizontal and vertical. Here remaining minus 2, minus 3, and 8 and 27. Minus 2, minus 3, 8, and 27. Then the second one, this one, for with a negative sign, that is minus 1. Now we do cross here and this, remaining minus 1, minus 3, and 1 and 27. Minus 1, minus 3, 1, and 27. Plus this one, 1, and we cross like this and this, here remaining this part. -1, -2, and 1 and 8. -1, -2, 1, and 8. And the denominator is -2. Now this is equal to 1 -2 times 27 become -54. -2 times 3 become -24. -24 with the opposite side become +24. Then -1 times -1 times 27 become -27. -3 times 1 is -3. -3 with the opposite side, the sign become +3. And +1 times -1 times 8 become -8, and -2 times 1 is -2 with the opposite side become plus or +2, and the denominator is -2, and that is equal to -54 and +24 become -30 times 1 is -30, -27 and +3 become -24, negative times negative is +24, and -8 and +2 become -6 times 1 become -6 over -2. Now -30 and +24 become -6, -6 when -6 become -12 or -12. -12 over -2. Negative divided by negative become positive. 6 divided by 2 become +6. It means that the value of psi is equal to positive or 6. Now x is equal to 6, y is equal to 11, y is equal to 11, and z is equal to 6. Now if we put these values in one of these equations, both sides of equation we can, for example, the first one is easier. X is equal to 6 minus y. 6 minus y, what is y? Is minus 11 become -5, and z is 6 plus 6 become plus or +1, and 1 is equal to 1. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends, and please press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a great and wonderful days and nights. Bye bye.